Well, here's that light rain. But the ants still did nothing. They still did nothing to take any kind of precaution against the nest flooding. And you hear the robins? They're singing continuously, even through the rain. So that tells me that's all this is going to amount to, is a little bit of light rain, because the robins aren't hunkering down and shutting up. So now I know, brief passing rainstorm, right back to decent weather. I know there's no storm coming. I know there's no hail coming, no wind damage coming. Easy peasy.